With regard to India, public health professionals are concerned about a novel virus strain that causes COVID. According to Indian experts, the Delta Plus form, which could be present in at least 30 countries, has already been found in India and the United States. Rumors are swirling that the new variation has sparked concerns the country may see a third round of restriction relaxations following another wave of coronavirus outbreaks. As it stands, it is hard to conceive of just 2 months ago when the country was recording over 400,000 new cases each day, when the Indian government is saying that everything is not well yet. In addition, Delta Plus, a previously unknown mutation, has recently been designated a variant of concern. In India last year, the Delta variation was discovered and was key in producing the big second wave of illness presently. The new mutation of this variation, the Delta Plus, has been detected outside of India. This time, Delhi has reacted quickly after facing criticism for failing to anticipate the crushing impact of the earlier Delta variant. We are very concerned about this new mutation because it was first seen in the beta variant of concern. The beta variant is better at evading pre existing immunity than the other variants of concern, but I stress that more data will be needed to determine if this variant is more infectious or lethal. So, there is a virus rapidly spreading that evades immunity to a significant extent and is very transmissible and infectious. And so that's what we should be talking about. Then, how confident are health officials that existing vaccines will be effective against this new variant? How concerned are you about these new numbers? We have seen these increases before in other parts of Europe. This occurs at a time when many things in Europe are opening up. We see sporting games and travel. And now sporting games are reopening in Europe. Coming to US, how concerned should we about this when you know that even trying to get a 70% of the population vaccinated with a single dose is not going to be enough to truly stop the impact of this virus in our country? And we need to fully wake up and realize this. I think the biggest challenge we face today is making sure that everyone understands how important vaccinations are. Because if the virus is in your community, it will find you and also everyone in your community as well. It's both more transmissible than the previous variant and also has been be able to resist the antibodies that we have in our blood. So what that means is that you need a higher level of antibodies to overcome the variant as compared to, let's say, the alpha variant. The good news is that all of the WHO emergency use listed vaccines protect against developing severe disease, hospitalization, and death due to the Delta variant. To give you a simple answer, people who have been vaccinated are much less likely to end up in hospital and need to take the full course of vaccination in order to protect against the Delta variant. Ideally, you would like to vaccine that prevents you from getting infected, which means you can't become sick. However, vaccines currently being developed don't offer complete protection, which is why even if you're vaccinated, you can still get the infection. So the chain of transmission must be broken. Have a hold on this disease. Thus, that's why I recommend get vaccinated when you can obtain access to your vaccination and protect yourself and also everyone around you.